Arthur, our first storm of hurricane season 2026, formed on June 17th and made landfall near Galveston on the 18th. From there, it traveled across the southeast United States, bringing trouble all along its journey back to the Atlantic. In today's episode of Secondhand Sailors, we are going to let you see Arthur through our eyes here in Gulfport, Mississippi. Welcome to Secondhand Sailors.
Well, Arthur has arrived. It blew pretty good last night. The winds are down this morning a little bit. Looks like the storm's going north of us. So we're just catching some nasties down here on the coast right now. We're just hunkering down, watching some YouTube videos.
Also was told that earlier we may have some updates on some power outages.
You know where this is not a problem? Right here on this boat.
Another band is coming through. That's the thing about these tropical storms. They come in bands. Every now and then you'll get a big hit. It'll last for about 20-30 minutes, sometimes longer depending on the size of the storm. Then it all calms down for a little while.
Too, with the ground being so saturated, and with these very strong winds, it's going to be easier for trees to fall over.
You are being ridiculous.
Having lived on the Gulf Coast since childhood, Turner and I are very familiar with how tropical weather works. Tropical storms and hurricanes are made up of a center of light winds called the eye. An eye wall with more dangerous winds surrounds the eye. Then, spiral bands of wind and rain flow counterclockwise around both. Meteorologists typically discuss the dangers of hurricanes by dividing the hurricane into quadrants. The right front quadrant is the most dangerous, and that's where Gulfport fell for Hurricane Arthur. As you can see here, Tropical Storm Arthur had a very ill-defined center. The center is marked by the red hurricane symbol on the map. Because it had an ill-defined center, which was affected by strong wind shear, Arthur fell apart quickly. We were all very thankful for that.
That's how they do on the Weather Channel. You go from this, sitting there talking like this, they say, action!
Tropical weather is ranked by wind strength using the Beaufort scale. It has 5 levels of what qualifies as hurricane force winds. Since Arthur's sustained winds peaked at 45 miles per hour, it was classified as a tropical storm, not a hurricane. Videoed this footage during one of the calm periods between the bands. You can see by what you're looking at that a tropical storm is still very, very powerful. not already subscribed to our channel, why not go ahead and hit that subscribe button? And for those of you who are subscribed, check and see if you've hit that notification bell to get notified when our videos come out. Things might look calm now, but keep watching. It's about to turn. Yeah, and that one's tied off.
Yeah.
Imagine what it'd be doing out there in the Gulf. This wind's caught hold of his boom and swung it all around. See it right there? That should be lined up like this with the mast. But the wind's caught the boom and swung it. Watch the ripple on the water. See how they've picked up and gotten deeper? This is about to get ugly again.
Wind is coming from the south and the west. You see Caribou over there is just about turned over. Hard into it. Just crazy. And it's back?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. That was quick. Ain't like at home, huh?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
So hard line. You said the Dodger cover blew off?
Yeah, right up here in the front, the middle section of the Dodger cover is unsnapped.
I'll fix it.
That is one dedicated dock worker right there.
Don't worry about any bad weather, huh, baby?
Daisy Mae's got me covered.
You know, you look really stressed over this tropical storm, Arthur.
Bad. Is there a storm going on?
Yeah, you can feel it on this boat, man. We have been rocking and rolling.
I love it.
So what do we do during the tropical storm?
Well, if we was at anchor, it'd be a different story. I'd be watching a little harder. We got 5, 6, 7 lines to the shore here, tied in. I'm just adjusting if the tide comes up or down. I mean, there's no problem.
Other than that, we just snack and relax, huh?
Yeah, it's business as usual.
Think all that rain's gone?
Yeah, I think the majority of it's out of the way. You can see this on the last one. It's blowing out.
Still hear thunder.
Yeah. Ready to go sailing now.
That's right, baby.
Thank you for riding out Tropical Storm Arthur with us. We would love to hear what you thought of the storm. Did it affect you? Leave us a comment. As always, if you haven't yet subscribed and liked this video, please do that now.
And always remember, tell your mom and them Turner said hey.